A lot of TPT sellers think search visibility is random. It is not. Some products consistently rank higher because they send stronger signals to TPT. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for over 17 years and have made $1.7 million in sales. Over time, I started realizing visibility inside TPT follows patterns. And once you understand those patterns, a lot of search behavior starts making far more sense. Because TPT is trying to show products that appear most helpful and most relevant to buyers. And that means visibility usually comes from alignment. Alignment between teacher searches, listing clarity, click behavior, and conversion. One of the biggest mistakes TPT sellers make is assuming ranking comes from one thing. Usually, it's multiple signals working together. For example, if teachers click your listing, that sends a signal. If teachers purchase consistently, that sends another signal. If your title clearly aligns with search behavior, that helps too. And if teachers quickly understand your listing, conversion often improves. These systems work together, which is why visibility problems are not always product problems. Sometimes the product is strong, but the listing is weak, or visibility is weak, or conversion is weak. And because those systems connect together, one weak area can quietly limit growth. One thing I've learned after years on TPT is this. Small visibility improvements can create very large business results over time because stronger visibility creates more opportunities for clicks, sales, reviews, and momentum. And momentum matters on TPT. A lot of sellers focus almost entirely on products, but products do not grow in isolation. Visibility, click behavior, conversion, and buyer experience all work together. And stronger systems usually create stronger rankings. Many TPT sellers are trying to improve growth without understanding what visibility inside search is actually responding to. And that makes growth feel random when it usually isn't. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so you can make clear growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to break down why some TPT stores feel chaotic to manage and why complexity quietly starts limiting growth. I will see you in the next video.